Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your homes. This pandemic pressure that is building here in plenty. Yesterday, 1,079 cases of COVID positive are reported from the entire UT of J&K. So the predictions are proving right that its infection might increase in the month of September, and its death rate is also increasing. Your educational institutions are still shut. The only way or the wise attempt is to remain inside your homes, busy to the books, so that you can crack the coming examinations with a difference. Yesterday, board also issued a notification regarding the conduction of examination of class 10th that are being held in the month of November. So you have to put the extra efforts and you have to do the extra hard work to crack the examinations with a difference because your career is at the stake. No physical classroom teaching is there. It is exercise 6.45, question number 4, chapter triangles. You are watching a mathematical statement on the board. It is a 2 marks question often asked in the board examinations. Simple question, but it is asked in the board examinations quite often. ABC is an isosceles right triangle, right angled at C. Prove that AB square is twice AC square. Dear students, in order to minimize communication gap, because communication sometimes turns hurdle in grasping the concept, I will solve this problem for you in Kashmiri language. The isosceles right triangles. Isosceles goes to triangle. Yet this side is he. Yet this side is barabar. So कि AC till BC is barabar. This third side is hypotenuse. तो मगर यह right triangle, right angle शायद C is bet. तो वह तो वनुन जिससे AB square यह twice AC square is बराबर. अगर इस given वुचो इस ABC is a right isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right angled at C. No मतलब ABC हसे शायद isosceles right triangle, right angle हसे शायद C is bet. To prove करो AB square छा बराबर twice AC square. It is so simple question. ये वारिया आसान question. पद गो prove. Prove go ACB is a right triangle, right isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Right angled at C. Yet triangle lagos Pythagoras thought. Go BC square plus AC square as AC square as AB square is barabar. Go in a right triangle, the square of base plus square of perpendicular is equal to square of hypotenuse. So therefore BC square plus AC square is barabar AB square. It is what? It is Pythagoras theorem. तो अगर वुचो BC AC is बराबर गो BC AC is बराबर क्या AC is बराबर इस isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle गई सो triangle यत में जिस साइड से आसान बराबर गो BC बदल है गो तिलेस AC लिखित BC बदल क्या गो AC बैठ क्या स्क्वायर गो AC स्क्वायर प्लस रूट दस AC स्क्वायर is equal to twice is equal to AB square is equal to AB square. AC square plus AC square. You go to twice AC square. It is AB square is equal to AB square. वो AB square still बराबर twice AC square. Use proved. It is so simple question, but often asked in the board examinations. Dear students, question got solved for you. In case of any query that strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on my number. That's already in your position. But better move is to give sufficient time to mathematics, do practice mathematics inside your homes. It is a technical subject, it needs practice. You must practice mathematics inside your home so that you can grasp all mathematical concepts well. And also give sufficient time to rest of the subjects so that you can crack the coming examination with a good percentage of marks. and build your career, because your career is at stake. And when you do hard work and put extra efforts in your homes, your career would be bright and flourishing. Thanks. Be well said.